Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to perform and interpret results of a hypothesis test using a calculator. An environmental agency is investigating whether a new waste management program has reduced the average amount of household waste generated per week from the previous year's average of 20 kilograms. The agency uses past data to assume that the population standard deviation of weekly household waste is 3.2 kilograms. The agency randomly selects 10 households and finds the mean amount of waste generated is 17 kilograms per week. Perform a one-mean hypothesis test at the 1% significance level to decide if the average weekly household waste has decreased from the previous year's average. So the first thing we should do is establish our null and our alternative hypothesis. The null hypothesis is the status quo. So it's what already existed. So our null hypothesis is going to be that the mean is 20 kilograms. Since the environmental agency is interested in whether waste has been reduced or decreased, our alternative hypothesis is going to be that mu is less than 20 kilograms. At this point, we're interested to know whether the probability that x bar is 17 is larger or smaller than our significance level. We're going to use our calculator. So we go to the stat menu, and then we want to go to tests, because we're going to do a z-test. We don't have the original data, we just have statistics. So we're going to go to stats. We're going to put in our mean for the population, our previous mean. We're going to put in our standard deviation of 3.2. We're also going to put in x bar, which is 17 kilograms. That's our new mean from the sample we took, sample size 10. Since this is a one-tailed test, we were looking if we were reducing. We're going to choose less than, and then we're going to calculate. Now we can see here that our p-value is equal to 0.001515. So this is approximately 0.15%, which is less than the 1% alpha value that was given. Since the probability that we would get a mean of 17 kilograms from a sample, given the population mean is 20 kilograms, is this small, we have enough evidence to reject the null hypothesis. Which means we have enough evidence to suggest that the amount of waste was reduced. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.